Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by connecting the external SSD to a stable port so testing reflects true health. Check the cable and adapter. Weak cables skew results. Replace if needed. Once connected, identify the drive letter on Windows or the device node on Mac OS/Linux and make a quick backup of any irreplaceable data because diagnostics can trigger write operations. Now, open your chosen utility, built-in or third-party, so you can run a proper health scan. You should run both Smart and Surface diagnostics to get the complete picture. Smart reveals internal counters, while a Surface scan finds bad blocks. Start with a quick Smart read to see attributes like reallocated sectors and media where %, then run a full Surface test if Smart flags anything abnormal. While the scan runs, watch for rising error counts. If reallocated or pending sectors increase, that indicates imminent failure, so be prepared to replace the drive. You finish by interpreting the diagnostics and deciding next steps. If results are green, schedule periodic checks. If yellow, prioritize backups and plan for replacement. If red, copy data immediately and stop regular use. Once done, update SSD firmware and rerun tests to confirm improvements. If tests still fail, try a different cable, port, or host machine to rule out external issues. If problems persist, contact the manufacturer for RMA or replace the drive to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.